Hello dears, you can make some desiccated coconut with coconut. Let's take you through this. Yeah, welcome back to our channel. And today we're going to look at how to make desiccated coconut. It's not so hard to make. First off, you need matured coconut. Okay, just try in any way to extract the meat from the coconut. So far, have you subscribed to our channel yet? Once you subscribe to the channel, you can always get notified anytime we have updates. You are free to invite others as well, and subscription is free. Though there are different methods to extract coconut meat from a shell, you can either put it directly on burning flame or you just use a hammer to do that. So extraction of the coconut flesh, take your time to do that. Then once you're finally done, you can peel off the black skin. Okay, so extract gently so you end up hurting your fingers. Peel off the black skin. You can either use a knife or you can use a potato peeler, anyone that suits you. So the idea is to peel off the black skin so you'll be left with the white meat. Then you can go ahead and wash thoroughly. Wash it clean. You don't need any chemical to wash it. Just use pure water, clean water to wash it. And once you are done, cut it into smaller pieces so your blender can take in. Although at this point you're going to use a high definition blender so it can blend smooth. Blend it like a smoothie, not you don't need to add water. You're going to blend it directly. Okay, this is it. The quantity of desiccated coconuts you need depends on the number of coconuts you're going to use. So after blending, this is how it looks like. No water involved, just blend like a smoothie, just blend directly. So here you have your desiccated coconut. As it is a smooth coconut meat. So at this point, you're going to transfer into a dehydrator. Line your dehydrator tray with parchment paper so this won't escape through the tray. Then you can go ahead and spread the desiccated coconut on top of it. You're going to dry for like 6 to 8 hours and your desiccated coconut will be completely ready by then. Make sure it doesn't overlap much. Just line it well. So after about 8 hours, our desiccated coconut is completely ready. This is completely dried. It's concentrated and it's sweetened. So your desiccated coconut is ready. You can use this for bakings, for toppings, and for making snacks. Who else is trying this? Please let us know in the comment section. Do you find our page interesting? Please let us know in the comment section any recipe you want us to try. You are welcome.